What replaces the smartphone? Because something will. And once you see it, you realize we've been using technology wrong this whole time. Think about your phone. You unlock it, open apps, search, type, scroll. Every single action is a step between you and what you actually want. Your phone isn't the solution, it's the middleman. And for years, we've just been optimizing that middleman, faster apps, better screens, smoother interfaces, but it's still friction. Now, something fundamentally different is happening. We're shifting from apps to intent. Instead of opening 5 tools to get something done, you just say what you want and it happens. That's the real shift, not better technology, different interaction. And this is where ambient AI comes in. AI that's always with you, always aware, always ready to act, not something you open, something that's just there. And we're already seeing pieces of this. AI that listens in real time during meetings, AI that can see through a camera and understand what it's looking at, AI that can take action across multiple systems. Individually, these feel small, but together, they replace the entire interface. Now imagine this. You walk into a meeting, no phone, no laptop, no notes. You just start talking. And AI is already working in the background, surfacing context, pulling relevant information, suggesting what to say next, not after the meeting, during it, or you're on a job site. You look at a problem, you describe it out loud, and instantly AI analyzes it, diagnoses it, and gives you the next step. No searching, no guessing, no calling someone else, just action. And this doesn't live in your phone. It lives around you in glasses, in wearables, in devices that disappear into your environment. That's the direction. Technology that becomes invisible, because the best interface is no interface at all. Now, does this replace the smartphone overnight? No, nothing does. Smartphones didn't kill computers. They just changed how we interact with them. This will do the same thing, but the shift is already happening. Less tapping, more talking, less searching, more doing, less apps, more outcomes. And here's the part most people miss. When the interface disappears, speed becomes invisible. The people using this won't look faster. They'll just look better, more prepared, more informed, more effective, like they're operating on a different level. And that's when the real advantage shows up. So what replaces the smartphone? Not another device, not a better screen, but a completely different idea. AI that moves with you, thinks with you, and acts for you. And when that fully clicks, the question isn't, what should I upgrade to? It's, why was I using a phone at all?